Good day, Forex Topnotch. Yeah, we are now Forex Topnotch, not Profit Forex Academy. We are now Forex Topnotch. Be aware, guys. We are now Forex Topnotch. So today, before we dive into our video of today, I'm so excited making this video today. It's going to change everything. Like, if you can stay to the end of this video, this strategy I'm about to present to you is going to change everything for you guys. Just stay to the end. You understand? And for those of you that'll be able to stay to the end of this video, there's a bonus attached to this video. Understand? That's going to teach you a roadmap, just like a roadmap. You understand, of how to turn your $5 account, understand, to $100,000 account. It's very possible. Understand? I have a bonus. It's going to be a bonus at the end of this video, so just stay to the end of this video. So this is the strategy of this indicator. See, this is a downtrend, right? So, and this one also, the market is also trading down. So whenever the market is trading down, understand, and the markets just give you an uptrend, while on your main chart is still trading down, so that's a signal to take your buy. But before I detailedly explain this indicator, let me show you the strategy behind this indicator. But before that, this is your indicator window 1, and this is your main chart. This is the indicator on your main chart. So let's explain quickly. So this is it here. Please guys, just get the message and just understand the message. Just get the message and forget the drawing. So in Forex trading, you have the most profitable trend. You understand? You have 3 trends, which is the uptrend, downtrend, and the sideways trend. That's ranging markets. You understand? But the most profitable one is the uptrend, and the downtrend. And this indicator is mainly for the uptrend and the downtrend. This is your main chart, the indicator on your main chart, and this one represents the indicator, the down indicator. You understand? So I'm going to explain. So this is an uptrend. Now, for market to be fully verified as an uptrend, it has to be making lower, higher high, continuous higher high and higher low. You understand? Continuously making higher low, while continuously making a higher high. You understand? I give you that confirmation of confirmed uptrend. So when the market is continuously making higher high, it should be trading that as an uptrend. And this your 2 indicator should be also trading up. Why this your indicator on the downside should be also trading up like this, not minus. This downside should be trading up continuously. So with this now, your uptrend. See, you don't even need to. I'll explain everything when we get to the main chart. You understand better. But I just want you to understand the strategy behind those indicators. You understand? This is an uptrend. When the market is making a higher high, a series of higher high, then higher low, that's an uptrend. Then you are expecting this your indicator on your main chart should be also trading below your chart. You understand? Below the candlestick, that's an uptrend. Why this one also should be trading up? You understand? Those lines there should be, you understand, trading up, upside. So this is where the strategy comes. The strategy behind this indicator is called the trend divergence continuation. So whenever the market is continuously trading up on top of this indicator on the main chart, and eventually this indicator here fall down while it's continuously trading up, then it fall down like a continuation divergence has happened. You understand? Let me say around this side, you should just take your buy trade. The same thing with the downtrend. You understand? So when the market is trading up, you understand, this is an uptrend, or it's still trading up, then it come down like maybe for a retest or something. Sometimes it has to call this your first indicator here. This is it. Will I call it black? Let's say black. I know it's not black, but let's call it black. You just cross it and maybe cross back, but you don't need to cross this last indicator. You should not cross it down. Once you cross this one, then and return back, you should just take your trade or just take your buy. Then find your stop loss. You can just target 1:2, target 1:1. You put break even. Target 1:2, you put break even. Target 1:3 continuously till you are out of the market. So that's just it. I believe you understand this indicator. If you don't understand, just rewind back and understand. This is a continuation divergence based indicator. It's very simple as that. So whenever the market is trading up and this market just trade down a little bit and it cross, you understand, just take your buy trade. A divergence has happened, so you don't need to like start drawing any drawing. Just know that you get my point. So let's go to the main chart and see some example. Okay, since we already know the strategy behind this indicator, let's see how the indicator work in action. This example number one, this the first trade, I will not really take this because it was not well confirmed, so let's keep this one. But it's also a good one, though. It's also a good one. Let's keep it. See, this a very good one. As you can, this a very good one, the way I explain it. And to confirm, your always find the trend line, internal trend line, then the breakouts. Then you take the breakout, set your stop loss. It's going to help you a lot. If you are drawing a trend line, it's going to help you a lot to filter some unverified trade. You understand? To filter some unverified trade. And I believe this kind of trade can give you 1:2, 3 reward ratio. That's a very good one. And I also take this trade on the 5 minutes. This is also a good trade on the 5 minutes time frame. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, it is also a good trade on the 5 minutes time frame. It's also a good trade, very good one, a profitable one. You can see how massive the profit give you. Almost 1:2. So let's say you plus is here, 1:3, 1:4 reward ratio. And I believe you remember I told you always when you get to 1:2 reward of your risk, use the block then you block 1:1. You use a trail stop loss, then you reduce your stop loss, you block your capital. Then once you get 1:2, keep on moving your stop loss till you are, but when you get to 1:3, 1:4, try to close all the whole trade. You cannot make everything. And this one is also a good trade on the 15 minutes. I believe I take this trade on the 15 minutes. This also, okay, this is it here. It's also a good trade on the 15 minutes. And I believe this little move can still give you 1:2 risk. Your stop loss is here and can still give you 1:2 risk reward ratio there. And this another one. Okay, let me show you. This is it. As you can see, there, that is it. This indicator work on every currency pair. I'm using gold for this video because I'm a fan of trading gold. You can use any currency pair and any time frame of your choice. This is another good one. This is another very good one, and I believe this can give you 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And I don't think, okay, this is another one. Almost to this another one. You can see this another one that can give you almost 1:3. And there's another one also. This is where the trend start from, and I believe you can see this is the breakout. You take your trade, maybe your stop loss. This is it here. This is the confirmation. Then I believe still together. It works on every time frame. You can hardly lost on this trade. You can hardly, and since then there's no, I believe there's no any signal. You can hardly lose, believe me. Try get this indicator and change the way you trade. And I believe there's one little one here. You can still find it. There's no trend line here. There's no trend line here. That's why, as you can see, I did not take this trade. There's no trend line, but in case you want to still take it, you can still make profit. You can still make profit. You can still get 1:1 risk to reward ratio at this place. And this is another very good one. Another very good, but there's no trend line. That's why I did not mark. I did not take this trade, but it's also a very good trade. As you can see right here, it's also a very, it is a very good one. You take the trade. And this is another one. This is an internal trend line, hidden trend line. And you can see this is the confirmation. A very, very good. This, let's go on a daily time frame and see something. It works on every, this, as you can see. If let's assume you take your trade, you find your breakout, you can still get 1:2. This is a very, very good strategy. And there's another one here because the it's not really, but they crossed. So it's a very, let's assume you draw your trend line. You draw that trend line. You draw that trend line. You draw that trend line. You at the breakout, you take your trade, your stop loss, as you can see on a daily time frame. It works. Let's go on the 4 hours time frame. It works on every time frame. It works on every time frame. It's what, there's no trade here. If you have seen anyone, let me know in the comment section. There's no, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, that's the only way I'm benefiting from this video. Try to subscribe and like this video for me, guys. Try to subscribe. There's also another one here, but the pullback, let's assume there's no even trend line safe. There's no even trend line. Maybe you can still find your trend line around this place. You can still find this is where the trend line happen. You can still find your trend line. So always try to use trend line to confirm, to help you. And this is another very good one. Another very good one. It's a very good. So let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. You can see this one. You can see this one. Back to back profits. Back to back profits. Back to back profits. See, very good. I believe you understand by now, and that's enough for me. So after getting this indicator, you can use any currency pair of your choice, back test it, and if you are satisfied, deposit. And to get this indicator without wasting much of your time, to get this indicator, it is not free. It is a premium indicator. You have to pay $10 for it, but don't worry, calm down. The worth of this indicator is actually, I believe the founder of this indicator is the owner of this YouTube channel. Let me show you. Let's search for it. It is Forex Bot and Indicator. I've searched for him before. It is called the Forex Bot and Indicator. I'm only privileged to record that video to prevent this strategy for you, but I'm not in any way have access, like have control of the indicator. You understand? I'm not the founder of the indicator, and I can't do more than myself. I'm only giving the indicator for free to help them promote this indicator. The reason why the guy is not ready, he's not yet started making video promoting his stuff, is because the guy is currently creating a sales website where he will be posting his indicator for whoever that watches video and is interested. Whoever that watches video can go to his main website and buy his indicator. That is the reason this guy is not yet started creating this video. And you can see I've subscribed to the channel. I still subscribe to the guy channel, so that whenever he drop anything, you know. And but you can still get this indicator. You can still buy this indicator on his seller website. This is the indicator on his seller website, and here is his seller website. The worth of this indicator is $10. That's the price the guy wants to sell it. But because I'm bringing something, I want to bring something good to my community, I have to reduce the price. We have to bargain and reduce the price to $3.24. And guys, if you are watching this video right now, this is just for a start. After now, right now, the guy can decide to update the price, but I just have to beg him to leave it at this price so that I'll be able to make this video. If you are watching this video right now, take action. Take that fast action. If you're interested in this indicator, take that action and get this indicator before this guy updates the price. And but to whichever price you come here, to whichever time you are watching this video, and to whichever price you come here and find this indicator, please make that investment. It's going to pay you a lot. You can read more on this indicator. Even if it is $10, $5, $20, $15 you find here, make that investment. It's going to pay you a lot. It's a promise. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video that can bring you here to get this indicator. And if you are still watching this video up till now, please like and subscribe, and I will like and subscribe to this video because that's my own part of the benefit of making this video. And not to forget the bonus. Here is the bonus. I'll drop a link of my telegram channel where you can get the bonus. Here's my telegram channel, Forex Topnotch Update. This is my updates channel where I post everything. I post every update about Forex Topnotch. Understand? So you can just come. I'll drop a link on the description, but the link is not going to bring you here direct. So this is the bonus. I promise that can take you. This bonus has everything you need about money management and risk management. You can go from a $5. You can read this title, and to every level and expected balance, your expected balance and your expected risk to take from $5 from $5 to $100,000, and this continuously. This is the bonus for you. But I'll drop a link of our group chats, so from there, of our Telegram, because that's the, if you have any question or anything or any complaint, that's where you can only drop your complaint, then I'll reply you. So then after that, then you can find your way to this Forex Topnotch, then that you can download this stuff. That's the bonus which I promise. So I believe I've said a lot. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.